let's get started here. Obviously, I've got the wheel off on the driver's side front. This is the one that has the wear sensor on it right here that you can see. We're going to be swapping that wear sensor out. The other side's going to be exactly the same, just minus the wear sensor. So I want to show you the corners that have the wear sensor because the other corners are just going to be slightly simpler. So I've gotten the wheel off. If you have a locking lug nut, make sure that you have the correct socket for that to take it out. I've taken the wheel off and set it aside, and I've turned the wheel out so you can see this a little bit better. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out this bottom 13mm bolt right here and then hinge the caliper upwards to get the brake pads out. But let me use the top one as an example because it's a little bit easier to see. You can see this hexagonal nut here back on the other side of the bolt. Sometimes when you take this 13mm bolt out, this will spin. Now you can use a pair of locking vice grips like this to get a hold of it, just to keep it from spinning, to break that 13mm free here on the bottom. And then we're going to hinge this upwards. And then we can take the brake pads out themselves. We'll also be unplugging, so go ahead and pull the brake wear sensor where it's clipped in here to the brake pad. We're going to pull that off and we're going to walk it off all the way back up here, and we're going to replace it with a new one, which is what you do every time. Okay, so go ahead and take this 13mm out, hinge this upwards, and get your brake pads out. So if you're working with an OEM kit of pads, it actually comes with replacement 13mm bolts here, top and bottom, so you can potentially replace all four on both sides when you feel like it. But as you can see, once you get this up and out of place, it doesn't matter if you break the sensor cable, because I mean this clip didn't want to come off, but it doesn't matter because we're replacing it. You can see that these brake pads definitely needed to be replaced. The wear light was on in the car for the brakes.